How to show or hide friend requests notifications on VK on Android or iOS phone. First open VK and now click Hub and then go to the storylines and go to settings, then go to notifications, scroll down until you find here friend requests, click on it, and that's it. Here you can manage it, here you can hide it if you want, and you can show it, or you can show only the important notifications by selecting this one here, the middle one. And that's it. Then just to go back, it will be saved. I hope that can help you. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.